Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's My Lead Gen Secret review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more affiliate commissions have recently come in, taking me to a total of $547 in affiliate commissions. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how you can do the same with the My Lead Gen Secret affiliate program. And a bit later on in the video, I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you how you can get 100 to 200 leads per day. And what you'll see here, I'm live in my Yahoo account, so where I get notifications for my payments, and there's a $30 threshold. So what I do is whenever I get over $30, I withdraw my money. And you see there, hi Barry, I've just sent you $32 in commissions. I get mine through PayPal, and there are other sources of receiving your payment. So let me take you inside the members area. I want to show you a little bit about the affiliate program and how you can get your traffic for free by promoting this program, because these are 100% tier 1 leads, which are the best leads. Tier 1 is the best traffic you can buy online. So promoting this as an affiliate is a great way to get your traffic for free. I always do recommend that to my students that you do that. I'm going to go into affiliates and I'm going to blur out some members information, but I want to show you the commission structure here. So when we go into commissions, scroll down a little bit here. The column we're concerned with today is commissions earned, and the pay plan comes down 5 levels. So OTO stands for a one-time offer. This is a new member that's just joined and bought the one-time offer on the second level. Every time you see these two letters, RC, these are recurring commissions, members paying, like myself, every single month. Happy members generating 100 to 200 tier 1 leads every day. So 3,000 to 6,000 leads every single month. And if I come all the way down here, what you'll see is the total earned. If I come down to the bottom, the total earned is 547, and I've also been paid out 547. They generally pay the next day when you put in a request for your commissions. So I'll just go back up into here and just show you a couple of things. So let's go into promo tools, still in the affiliate section here. This is Jim, the owner, Jim Harmon. He'll play a little video there that'll tell you exactly what the affiliate program's all about. You've got all the resources that you need here to become a successful affiliate. So the compensation plan, this is where it pays down here, 5 levels. And there's also a superstar bonus of $100 over a 7-day period. And you'll see there what I mentioned early on. You've got to reach $30 to be paid on your commissions, and that's either PayPal, by check, or by Bitcoin. Let's have a look now at the leads themselves, because if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you haven't built an email, you haven't had time to build an email list yet, go into mailing system, and you haven't had time to build an email list, you haven't got a social media following, you don't even need an autoresponder with this system. It's all built in and done for you. So you'll see if I go, so I'm in my mailing system here. If I go on to select all, you'll see you can email out to these leads once a day. Now you'll see here, I've got 186,200 leads to be able to mail out to today. So you can see how it builds up, and now how quickly it can build up. 3,000 to 6,000 leads every single month. it would take you a long time to build your own email list to these sort of numbers with that. Let me just show you some proof of the. I'll go into statistics and show you that these are tier 1 leads. I'm going to go into clicks, and it'll bring a little map up. It's not a map. It'll bring up a little the country flag. Now you'll see here that had 63 clicks yesterday. You'll probably get more than that because it goes out in American time. So these are 99% USA leads, but they are 100% tier 1. There's a New Zealand one there, or an Australian. There's UK where I'm from, but you'll see the quality there's Canada. So you're going to get Canadian leads, USA leads, Canada, Australia. So all the 5 tier 1 countries. And tier 1, if you're not familiar with the 3 tiers of tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3, tier 1 is where the most buyers come from. And this is our Facebook group. So if you decide to join through my link in the description, you can join our Facebook group. It's got 5,500 members. And what we teach you in here is we teach you how to become a successful affiliate, but we also teach you how to become successful on what to promote to the leads. You can promote the affiliate program to the daily leads that you get, but if I come down here, you'll see people here earning great affiliate commissions. You'll see someone here earning in Warrior Plus a $32 day. You'll see here 2 sales in 3 days. They've had $100 bonus. They're promoting very well there. $100 bonus. Another $105 day. So within this group, we're teaching our members not just to become successful with the affiliate program, we're also teaching you on the offers that are converting into commissions to promote to the leads. So this group is absolutely invaluable for you to be a member of. And if you join through my link in the description, I can invite you and get you put into this group. And what I'll also do, if you want to be an affiliate, what I've done here as well, I've also done a review on my blog. So if you want some more information on my lead gen secret, I've just done a very detailed review on my blog. So what I'll do is I'll pin this blog post to the top comment below the video you're watching now. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share it as well on social media, and that will also help my channel as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video, you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my new videos. And I'm currently doing several new videos every single week. I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about my lead gen secret, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll reply to all your questions. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. There'll be a link in the description for more information, or if you want to get started, and then my blog review will be on that pinned to that top comment. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.